At the Weather Service this morning, the meteorologists were watching the temperature plunge. Finally, at 2:05, the thermometer bottomed out at a minus 21.
It was all because we had the clear skies, or essentially clear skies, and it allowed that radiation, the long-wave radiation, to escape from the Earth's surface, go right up through the atmosphere.
The record books here go back to 1872. Upon checking, it was revealed that this morning's 21 below is the coldest since January 12, 1963, when it was 25 below. It's also the coldest December temperature since December 24, 1876, when it was also 25 below. But the cold weather isn't confined to Denver. Temperatures in the minus 15 to minus 25 range came in from all over the eastern plains. Up in Wyoming, it's even worse. While Cheyenne only managed to tie a record at 28 below, in Casper it was an all-time record at 36 degrees below zero. And it was more widespread than that. Records were set this morning from Eugene, Oregon, where it was 19 degrees, to Buffalo, New York, where it was minus 8. But where did all this cold air come from? The answer? The Arctic. High pressure in the eastern Pacific has pushed unusually far north. That's made the jet stream move up and over the top of it, moving through the Arctic regions. From there, the jet stream has been bringing that frigid air directly south into the western United States. Those cold winds then move across most of the country until finally heading north again. Another reason for the cold weather is the placement of a high-pressure area on the surface. The high has been sort of camped out over the northern plains, and with a clockwise flow of air around it, cold air from Canada has made its way down into the central U.S., and eventually into Colorado. That high is expected to move out, but very slowly. If you live in the mountains, you may be wondering why in some cases it hasn't been nearly so cold for you. Readings from a National Weather Service balloon at 5 this morning showed a temperature of minus 17 on the ground, but up at 10,000 feet over Denver, the temperature was 0. Air, like everything else, has weight. Because it's so dense, cold air is heavier than warm air. Well, as that surge of Arctic air came moving along the front range, it displaced the warmer air upward, and that accounts for the warmer readings in the mountains. It's expected to get down to between minus 15 and minus 20 tonight. If it does, it means another night of record-breaking cold. Steve Anderson, Environmental Specialist, News Center 4.